The 1999 Toyota Supra, a legend born from speed, precision, and pure automotive passion. Known for its iconic curves and powerful performance, this machine once ruled the streets with confidence and dominance. But time has not been kind. The once vibrant orange paint has faded into a dull shadow of its former self. Scratches and imperfections spread across the body, weakening its bold presence. The shine is gone, and the exterior no longer reflects the power hidden beneath. Inside, the cabin feels aged, with worn surfaces and a lost sense of energy. Yet, something still remains. The soul of the Supra refuses to disappear. The restoration begins slowly. A deep wash removes years of dirt and neglect. Foam spreads across every curve, revealing glimpses of what once was. Water flows gently, uncovering the foundation of a legend. This is only the beginning. With the surface now clean, the real transformation begins. Every panel is carefully corrected. Machine polishing moves with precision, removing scratches and restoring clarity. Slowly, the dull surface begins to shine again. Reflections return, sharper with every pass. Then comes the rebirth of color. Layer by layer, the iconic orange is restored. Rich, deep, and aggressive, stronger than before. Light dances across the body, highlighting every curve, every line, every detail that defines the Supra. Inside, the cabin comes back to life. Seats are restored. Surfaces are cleaned and refined. Every detail is treated with care. Bringing back the driver-focused experience this legend is known for. The Supra is no longer fading. It is returning.
Script 3. Now, the final stage. A protective coating is applied, sealing the transformation. The gloss deepens to a mirror-like finish. Every reflection is sharp, every surface flawless. The car stands still, but feels powerful. Then comes the moment. Le réveil. The 1999 Toyota Supra in its full glory, glowing in orange. Bold and alive once again. The curves shine, the presence dominates, and the legend stands reborn. What was once worn and forgotten is now restored to perfection. This is more than a rebuild. This is a revival. The 1999 Toyota Supra. Not just restored. But reborn in fire.